Hey guys, and welcome back to another Tech Galaxy video here. This is Faisal and today I'm back with another crazy video, and this video is actually on my Tozo NC3 AirPods earbuds. So these are pretty cool earbuds. They are NC3. I like the model NC3. It's good. So basically when you get your AirPods, it comes with the AirPods, a booklet of instructions, and the charger. The cool thing about the charger is that it can connect to any like iPhone like plug. Like it can connect to like this, for example, or if you have like a Android plug, I think it can connect to that also. So it's pretty cool. So let me show you guys how you can connect it to Bluetooth. So first you want to do is you want to make sure that your AirPods are at least have some charge. Like if they are not, like if they are dead, then obviously it won't work. So make sure they are charged, and like it'll say the battery here. And then what you wanna do is you want to take your AirPods out of your case. So I'm going to take these AirPods out of the case, and then you have to wear these AirPods. I'm just not going to wear this for today's sake. But what you can do is you first have to go to your phone. So basically you go onto your phone. I have an iPhone, so this is how you do it. Go to settings. Once you're in settings, just go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Bluetooth has to be on. If this, like these AirPods, they will not work if Bluetooth is not on. So you have to make sure Bluetooth is on, and then you see, oops, not this. You see this. It should say Tozo NC3 on your iPhone. If it says something else, then it's probably not the right one. So you first have to connect this Tozo. 1 second. I first have to connect these Tozo NC3, and you see these are connected. But the interesting thing about this is, if I just leave them inside the case, it will not work. You actually have to take your earbuds, like you have to take them out from the case so they can connect to Bluetooth, and you also have to put them like close to your phone. You can't like put them like all the way in another room or something. So you first have to do that, and then let me try. So my volume for my iPhone is full. So let me show you guys something. So you can go to YouTube and just click on any video, like any video, doesn't matter which is. Let's say if it's this video. So let's say if it's this video, I don't think this is really loud. So for this, you guys, the speaker is so cool that even without wearing my earbuds, I can still kind of hear it, which is good. But there's one way, let me show you guys. There's one way how you can control your Tozo NC3 earbuds, and this is how you do it. You have to download this app. You have to download this app right here. You have to download this Tozo app. If you don't have this Tozo app, then it's going to make things a lot harder. So basically what you can do is first, and this is also a way you can connect it. You don't have to go to settings, you can just go to the app and connect it. The phone will recognize. This tells you, okay, so these are my earbuds, they are 95 5% charged. And one cool thing about this is that you can also put it in different modes. Like if I want to make it in noise cancelling mode or normal mode, custom mode, reduce wind noise mode, any mode you want to do, you can choose the mode here. Mine is on transparency mode for now, but yeah. So these are my earbuds. You can even add like different sound effects from here, like whatever sound effect you want, you can add it. It's so cool. The reason why you should download, if you have a Tozo earbud, I 100% recommend you to download this app. It allows you to control everything and it's so good. You can hear, you can like find like different earbuds, like there are even like these types of earbuds that come. There are Tozo T6 earbuds which are cool. There are a bunch of earbuds for the same type. Communities like where you can like talk to different people and stuff. And like this is one way how you can play like music, because the app has like all these different kinds of music which you can play on your earbuds. So this is so cool. And here I can see stuff about my Tozo account, so I can see everything, and yeah, it's so cool. So you have to download the Tozo app, and you are basically the Tozo app is very helpful. So you should download this app. And some more things about this are that if you want to power it on or off, you can just like put this in the case, take it out of the case, whatever. So let me put this in the case for now. So I put these in the case, and as you probably just saw, it's 71% charged. So if I want to charge this, one way I can charge this is I can take this plug, attach this plug, I'll take this plug, I'll attach it over here. So I'll attach this here, I'll attach this here, this side. So it should be going like this, and I can attach this to my Apple plug. And this is attached. So this one got out. So now if I want to charge this, basically what I can do is I can close this. I need to make sure Tozo here is not connected. It's not connected. And also those of you who have a smartwatch or something here, this is where you can any Bluetooth device, smartwatch, earbud, whatever it is, you can pair your earbud device here in Bluetooth. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, and then you take this and then you can just plug this into the wall and it'll charge. And this, the cool thing about this is this lasts long. Its battery is pretty good, and it even charges quick, like in an hour or two. So battery should not be a problem, and I definitely recommend you to buy this. It's very cool. And in the description of this video, I'll send you the link where you can check out these earbuds. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in another Tech Galaxy video. Bye.